Welcome to Java with me, Muhammad Marif Najm. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to perform a select query over a database of MySQL using Java. On the local server of my computer, I have created a database called Java Tutorials, inside which there is one table called country. And inside this table, there are 9 countries here. Now, I want to create a connection to this database and retrieve the data of this table and print it to the user using Java. Okay, this is the application I have written here. First of all, I have created a project called sample data selection. Inside this project, I have created a package called data, and inside this package, I have created a Java file called data selection. Also, I have included an external Java library, which is a jar file and is the mysql connector Java jar file. This jar file is essentially needed for the application to work. Inside the data selection.java file, I have created a class called data selection. And inside this class, I have created only one method, which is the main method. I have written everything inside the main method. First of all, I have specified the name of the database, the username, password, and the database URL. Then I have created 3 variables here. One is the connection variable, another is the prepared statement variable, and the other is the dataset variable. Inside the try block, first I have connected the application to the database using these 3 lines of code. This line of code is not essentially needed if you do not have UTF-8 data inside your database. Then I have written a query and I have initialized the prepared statement variable or object using this line of code. And then I have executed the query using the execute query method of the prepared statement object. And then I have iterated among all the data which comes from the database, and I print the name field of the data. If there is any exception, for example, SQL exception or class not found exception, which is related to the driver, those exceptions are handled here. And finally, the dataset, prepared statement, and connection objects are closed. If I now run the application, I see the result here. The names of the countries that were inside that table have been printed here.